John Torres. I am currently seeking opportunities within marketing and also learning more about how web pages work. And this was a workshop that was right up my alley.
Perfect. And what did you learn today that you can apply?
Oh man, so much. There was a lot of value in this workshop. Jorge, in his presentation, covered topics, especially from someone who's just beginning to someone. There were people here that were already established in some of their businesses, so the information can apply from A to Z. So really, it was good information.
Thank you. And do you think that other people could benefit from the workshop as well?
Absolutely. Yeah, with this, just actually my first time here, I got a lot of benefit just exploring the opportunities. And this kind of leads to other things that I can explore and research to kind of develop my business per se.
So good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Really good.